Good day everyone, I'm Aaron Tabaco, a mechanical engineering student from Capital University. So today we're going to discuss parallel and series circuit problem. So first we have this problem, R1 equals 25 ohms, R2 equals 56 ohms, R3 equals 55 ohms, and R4 equals 62 ohms. So first we have to calculate the R1 and R2. So this is the formula, RT12 equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. So you have to substitute 1 over 25 ohms plus 1 over 56 ohms. So the R total of 1 and 2 is equals to 0.058 ohms. So we have the total resistance of 1 and 2. So next we have to change the diagram. So next we have to solve the resistance 3 and 4. So same formula. We have RT P4 plus 1 over RT plus 1 over R4. So substitute the given, we have 1 over 55 ohms plus 1 over 62 ohms. So the total is 0.34 ohms. So now we have the total resistance of 3 and 4. So next we change the diagram. So next we have this series circuit. So we have to calculate the RT1 to RT3 and 4. So we have this formula, RT1 to 3, 4 equals R1 2 plus R24. So we have 0.058 ohms plus 0.034 ohms. So the total resistance of 1, 2, 3, 4 is equals to 0.092 ohms. So next we have to change the diagram. So next we have to solve the current. So calculate the current. We have the given 24 volts. So we have this formula, I equals V over R. So substitute the given 24 volts and R total will be for 0.092 ohms. So we have the total current is 260.87 amperes. So this is the final answer. So our next problem is we have the given R1 equals 25 ohms, R2 equals 56 ohms, R3 equals 55 ohms, and we have 60 volts. So we have to calculate this parallel circuit. So in this formula we have R1 over 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So substitute 1 over 56 plus 1 over 55 ohms. So the total resistance is 0.036. So now we have the R total of 2 3. So next we have to change this diagram into series circuit. RT will be 0.036 ohms. So next we have to solve the series circuit. So we have this formula RT 1 2 3 equals R1 plus R2 3. So our R1 is 25 ohms, so substitute 25 plus R2 3, 0.036 ohms. So our total is 25.036 ohms. So next we have now change this diagram. RT 1 2 3 equals 25.036 ohms. So our next we have to calculate the current. So we have this formula I equals V over R. So substitute this given 60 volts, 60 over the R total of 1 2 3, 25.036. So the total current is 2.40 amperes. So the total current is 2.40. So this is the final answer. Third. So our next problem, we have this diagram and we have the given R1 25 ohms, R2 equals 56 ohms, RT equals 55 ohms, and R4 equals 62 ohms. So we have this given 300 volts. So first we have to calculate this R1 and R2, the series circuit. So we have this formula RT 1 and 2 equals R1 plus R2. So substitute 25 plus 56 ohms is equals to R total 1 2 is 81. So next we have to change this diagram. RT So next is we have to solve the parallel. So we have this formula RT 1 2 3 equals 1 over R1 2 plus 1 over R3. So substitute 1 over 81 plus 1 over 55 ohms. So the total resistance of RT 1 2 3 is equals to 0.031 ohms. So we have the next we change this diagram into series. So next we have to calculate the R total of 1, 2, 3, and R4. So we have the given RT quantity 1, 2, 3, 4 is equals to R1, 2, 3 plus R4. So substitute the given, we have 0.031 ohms plus 62 ohms. So the R total of 1, 2, 3, and 4 is equals to 62.031 ohms. So now we have the total of R of 1, 2, 3, and 4. So next we have to calculate the total current. So, here's this. So the total so the formula is, we have this sampung-sampung method, V over IR. So we have this V over R. So our voltage is 300 volts. Our resistance is 62.031 ohms. So the total current is 4.84 amperes. So this is the final answer. So our last problem is, we have this R1 equals 25 ohms, R2 equals 56 ohms, and R3 equals 55 ohms. So first, we have to calculate the parallel circuit. So we have this formula, RT 3 equals 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So we have given 1 over 56 ohms plus 1 over 55 ohms. So the total resistance of 2 and 3 is 0.036 ohms. So now we have total resistance of 2 and 3. So next we have to change this diagram to series circuit. So next we have to calculate the series circuit. So we have the formula RT1, 2, 3 equals R1 plus R2 and 3. So substitute the given, we have 25 ohms plus 0.036 ohms. So the total resistance of 1, 2, 3 is 25.036 ohms. So now we change this diagram. So next we have to calculate the total current. So we have this formula, I equals V over R. So we have this given 30 volts and total resistance 25.036 ohms. So the total current is 1.99 amperes. So this is the final answer. So that's all. So I hope you've learned something in my discussion.